Hey YouTube, how's it going? Hope it's going well. Just chilling here, watching Hockey Central, just following the news of the NHL. Anyway, so I got another collection video here, and this time it's my mixed Colorado player collection. So in this one, you'll get Matt Duchene, Nathan MacKinnon, Patrick Wall, a few others. So I'm just gonna hop right into it. So hopefully this view is decent for you all and hope you enjoy. So here we start with Nathan MacKinnon. This is the puzzle pieces from 12-13 Be a Player, I believe. Really nice. And here we go. Just some MacKinnon inserts and some random cards. Rookie Retro. There we go. There's the 3D Nathan MacKinnon. That's really nice. Neil Yakupov, Nathan MacKinnon, Young Gun Canvas. There's another one. There's the Young Guns checklist. Nathan MacKinnon done awesome for Team North America in the World Cup. So I'm hoping that success translates over to the NHL this year because Colorado really needs it. There's a Nathan MacKinnon MVP insert. More Nathan MacKinnon. Let me zoom out. There we go. There we go. So here's some Matt Duchene's. There's his Victory Gold rookie. And I don't have the rookies or autographs in with this. That's another binder, so that'll come in our video. There's still some nice cards in here. Matt Duchene's. Another nice player. He's playing really well for Team Canada. Got a few points up. And there we go. So some commons. There's a double diamond there. There we go. That's a yeah. That's a something Radiance. Resquit Radiance, I believe. I'm not too sure. Sorry, Radium Radiance. I always found that name confusing. Nice sensor, all the same. There we go. Some numbered cards. And there we go. So we're going to go into the Patrick Walls now. So that's an old school insert. Patrick Wall and Jocelyn Thibault. This is my Patrick Wall collection. There you go. Retired numbers out of Panini Classics. Cool. Love that photo. Yeah. Gretzky and Wall. It's been used on numerous cards and always beautiful. There we go. There's the mask cards. One is the English and one is the French. And there's the Patrick Wall die cut SP. So let me just show you the ones right there. The mask and Le Masque. Yeah, I used to be good at French, but I'm terrible now. So there we go. From 88-89, second or third year. Patrick Wall. I'd love to get his rookie, but they're kind of expensive. There we go. Maybe soon. Speaking of rookie, there's a rookie reprint. Patrick Wall silver script. Pretty sweet. There's some more commons. There's a reprint from that reprint set, the same as his rookie. There we go. Patrick Wall coin. There's a Patrick Wall retro from 08-09 OPG. Don't think I have many doubles here. This one's out in 99. Patrick Wall. There we go. That's his 13-14 Panini Prime, I believe. Out of 50. 19 of 50. Of course, he won't zoom in. Oh well. 19 of 50. There's his canvas. That's a historic shot. Photo of when he set the all-time wins record back in 2001 against Washington, I believe. Love that set. I'm going for this set. 0809 Masterpiece. I'm just not searching at the moment, but here we go. This is from last year's. It's Clear Cut Superstars, Patrick Waugh. Really nice. Hold that one. It's beautiful. Oh, there we go. That's a unique one. That's from Dunwest Preferred. Okay, so that's Patrick Waugh's. And here's Gabriel Landeskog. Not a huge fan of him, but hey, I appreciate his style. Good player. Here's the Young Guns checklist out of 11-12 Upper Deck. That is Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Gabriel Landeskog, and Adam Larson. No, Adam Larson, I believe, who is on Edmonton now, oddly enough. There we go. Young Gun Canvas. I always enjoy those. So, there we go. Here's his Young Gun Canvas, Gabriel Landeskog. Really nice card. Picked that up cheap. Picked it up for $15, so it's a sweet deal. There's a Gabriel Landeskog Ultimate Collection. So now I'm into Eric Johnson's. There we go. There's a limited. That one is out of $2.99. Speed this up now because I know this is probably boring for you all, but I appreciate you if you're sticking around watching this. So these are just some commons. Nothing too noteworthy. There we go. I'm off retro. And into the Ray Borks. So Ray Bork, I got some decent ones. There's a 85-86 Tops. It's horrible centering on that one, but look at that mustache. Pretty cool. There's an in action. There's Ray Bork and Chris Pronger. It's from 2000-2001 OPG, same as that set, season highlights. So there's some nice ones. So I got a mix of everything here in terms of Ray Bork. The Stanley Cup. That is a beautiful card. I love that photo. That's why I love that set. Ray Bork holding the cup. Passed to him by Joe Sakic when they won the cup. Just one of my all-time favorite memories. Here's another one. It's great as a photo. Upper Deck really milked that photo, but you know what? Hey, it's such an iconic photo that it's just great. There we go, some old school cards. Early 90s. There we go. Remember those McDonald's? 95, 96. Here's Ray Bork. Still love these cards years later. I'm going to break open some of these packs. My local card shop has them for $1 each. So I'll definitely, just a wide variety of McDonald's. So I'm going to break open some packs. I'll have that on a future video. So here's some more Ray Borks. There's some more commons. Now you might notice a lot of different pro sets. That's the English and French versions, which I collect. So this video is coming close to 10 minutes, so I'm going to speed it up here now. There's a Ray Bork hologram SPX there as well. I just noticed I got doubles of that one. 0809 Tops Ray Bork. Let's go retired numbers. And here's some Rob Blakes, just some commons. Nothing too spectacular. And then Jerome McGinley. There we go. Jerome McGinley. This one is Frozen in Time out of 9.99. Plexiglass cards. Yep. Jerome McGinley's. I don't have many Colorado cards, but a few. There we go. Here's some Colorados. Yeah, one of the legends of the game. There he is on Team Canada. That's pretty sweet. Jerome McGinley and Joe Thornton. Duo. So yeah. And I'm nearing the end of this now, so I appreciate everyone that has stuck around and watched this. No, this is not everyone's cup of tea, just a bunch of commons, but hey, this is my collection. Worked pretty hard on it, had to sort through it. Oh, it's pretty sweet, but hey, can't be all autographs and jerseys. Gotta have some unique stuff, but some of this stuff might bring back memories for people. Old cards that they used to break. Cards that you haven't seen in ages. So look at that one. That's a nice one. Speaking of which, there you go. Out of 2000 from 97, 98 Donruss. And here we go. Those are some nice ones. I like that one too. So anyway, everyone, that's part 3 of my collection. So Nathan MacKinnon, just a beauty. Hope you all enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. Thanks all. Take care. Bye.